Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 5th of February and we have got some amazing shout outs of children doing some fantastic exercise. We've got nursery reception year 1 and year 2 and amazing work as well. It's been non-stop on Tapestry, so really well done. It's our last shout out of this half term because next week we've got presentation assembly. So next Friday, look out for presentation assembly and look out for all those certificates to come to all of those children who are working so hard throughout this half term. You're not going to see a great deal of me though, because I've got films nice and close up of each of these. So we're going to kick off with our shout outs. We're going to start off in year 2. We've got Rebecca, Sky, Michael, Luca, Rosie, Tyler, Daria, Muntaha, Levi, Cece, Jordan, Jacob, Omo, Esme, Evie, Mason, Oliver, Luke, and all the children at school at the moment as well. Lots of you doing lots of exercise. Levi there with your weights looks amazing. Muntaha having races, it's fantastic. Sky doing, well, looks like her yoga as well. Fantastic. And then all of you as well posting all that amazing work on Tapestry. Thank you so much, everyone. It is amazing to see how hard you are working. Let's keep it up. One more week to go until we got half-term holiday. So let's keep it up through next week. Come on, guys. It's brilliant to see. Well done. Moving on. Look at these year ones. Miss Marshall's put out Ben, Scarlett, Freddie, Dennis, Eliza, Ethan, Casey, Alex, Tudor, Logan, Orson, Mantadas, Jack, Emily, and Ava. All of you there, look at you working, all working out, all getting out, getting exercise, keeping yourself at Eliza. Good high knees there, hun. That is a brilliant. So really lovely to see how much exercise you guys are doing, getting outside, keeping yourselves fit, keeping yourselves well. Well done, everyone. Let's have one final week of really lots and lots of work coming up before we have half term. So really well done, you guys. Fantastic. Moving on, Miss Begum, look at these, Miss Begum, look at Noah, we got Rebecca, we got Jack, we got Sophie, Rayleigh, Teddy, Gracie May, Monica, Alita, Scarlett P, Beatrix, and Adama. All of you exercising for Beatrix there on a long run, it looks like as well, okay? And then Noah there on the exercise bike. Just superb to see you all there. Rebecca running hard on the field. Just amazing to see all you getting out, exercising and working hard and keeping yourselves fit and healthy. Well done, Miss Begum's class. Mrs. Cook shout out, look at Mrs. Cook shout out. You got Lee still helping out from the other week. It's absolutely amazing. But the rest of you are working so hard. You've got Rowan, you got Rion, you got Alex, obviously Lee, Alfie, Charlie, Robbie, Casper, Ebony, Jake, Mia May, Ramin, Rosie, Luna, and Gabby. You guys are working non-stop. Really well done to Mrs. Cook. Shout out to you superstars. Well done, guys. Oh, here we go. Now, this is a special shout out here for Toby. Toby did some amazing thing last week when he was walking along cycle footpath on the way to school. He picked up some next week's work pack coming into school. Toby was very upset to see so much litter on the path and told me he recognised the bags were pick and mix sandwich bags from school. We told the receptionist what we had seen and Toby decided he wanted to pick up the litter on our way home. Well done, Toby, for caring about our planet. Absolutely well done. You absolute superstar. And it's so disappointing to see because that is our rubbish. It is from our pick and mix. So please, if you're coming to collect pick and mixes, please put them in the bin. There are enough bins about. We don't want another repeat of that. And amazing, Toby. Thank you so much, you superstar. Oh, look out. Here we go. Some more super sharks. Look at these sharks. Ollie out exercising. Willow, Esme, Ava, Lucas and Harley, everyone getting out there doing their exercise. Esme doing her skipping there, Willow doing it looks like a bit of either Jumpstart Johnny or something like that, and then Ava doing her headstand there, and I know Lucas and Ollie just getting lots and lots of exercise. Harley, careful on that log, buddy. Really well done to see you out exercising, keeping yourselves fit. Well done, sharks. Oh, Miss Arnold, look at Miss Arnold's got some amazing shout outs here. We got Jack, we got Charlotte, we got Zara, Dorian, Oliver, Matilda, Naya, Bailey and Emily. All of you, not only just working hard, but keeping yourselves fit, getting out and about. I know Miss Arnold's really proud of you. Lots of things appearing on Tapestry. So really well done, everyone. You absolute superstars. Let's keep it up. Miss Wright superstars. Look at Miss Wright superstars. You've got Ruben there, been out bird spotting. You've got Zachariah, you've got Lola, you've got Letty, Arafat, Amelia, Elliot, Nella, Vienna, and Amelia. Look at you guys. Elliot keeping himself really fit there. Nella with a bike and doing her writing as well. Letty out with her brother there, doing lots and lots of exercise as well. It's amazing to see you nursery children being so independent, working so hard. Amazing drawing, Amelia, of Daddy there. You absolute superstar. So keep up all that amazing work, nursery. It's lovely to see. I'm so proud of all of you. Well done, everyone. Now, presentation assembly next week. So no shout out assembly, but presentation. So look out for the presentation assembly next week for each of the year groups. And I'm sure there's lots and lots of you will be getting lots and lots of certificates. Well done, everyone. Have a great week and we'll see you next Friday. Bye-bye now.